In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a night guard in a Blender. So first we're gonna import the STL files. Here I'm going to File, Import, STL, and I'm gonna select the upper and lower jaws and import. Now, first thing we need to do is align the models according to the Blender axis. So I'll select the upper cast and then lower, and then find four points. So right click and one point, second point on the canine, third point on the other side of canine, and fourth point on the more. Then press align. And now it aligned, but it's upside down, so I rotated it. Okay, now what I will do is I'll make it as a model. So I make upper base. It's gonna take a few seconds. And then select the lower and the lower base. Okay, now we're going to mount it on an articulator, digital articulator. So I clicked on a mounting table. And the front and the border, and I make sure that it lines up to those whole round marks. And then from the right side, I need to rotate it, so I pressed R and moved it up, and I see the insides of the edges, and most of the edges are touching. Unhide the lower, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the condyle. So I select the condyles and then side profile and then accept. So the condyles are set. Then right inclination, copy to the condyle, left inclination, copy to the condyle. Set open centric, and then I'm going to open it at about 3 degrees. So I have a room for the night guard. Apply keyframe and new location for the lower model. Then set open country, apply keyframe again. Then I'm gonna set the protrusive. So I'll click on that green arrow and set up protrusive. And then apply keyframe. Then set exclusive right. So move it that green arrow. Oh well, it's hard, so it's easy to do on the menu. Then apply keyframe. Then set exclusive left side. Apply keyframe. So now you can see when you play it. Left side and then right. Right, so it's set. Now we'll go to the block out more modules. So we need to block out the undercuts. Create the offset model first. so it won't be like very tight fit. So this created the entire model 0.2 millimeter bigger. Now I click on the survey upper. So I will survey based on the how much undercut I want to have. And then I click on the auto default models on the right side, that button. So it will create two models, one retentive and one passive. I don't need passive model for this, so I'll just keep the retentive model only. So now I'm gonna start drawing the planes. So I click on the name target model first, and then draw it. Click on extrude and left click. So that's not right. When it goes inside the models, that's not correct. So what I like to do is Control Z and go back and then make sure that that line doesn't go inside the model. Now when I reach to the final point, I press Shift and select the origin and press F to join both together. Okay, and press Trim. Then I select the one vertex, and then make layer. Now you see there's something is happening. This make the entire thing layer. So I Control Z, went back and I made some adjustments, and then click trim again, and then select the vertex again and clean. Still doing the same thing. So I need to figure out what went wrong. So most likely one of this line is inside the mod, and you see here it's inside the model on that side. So that's making everything off. So I tried to do edit it, but it didn't work for me, you see. So I will Control Z or delete this and then make another one. I'll try to do two or three times. Okay, this is the easy way. Just Control Z and undo. Let's select Shift and click both, F, then trim again. Select the vertex and then click. Now we did it. So we selected just the top part, and I click on make layer, and voila, that made the night card. Now I'll accept the layer. Okay, now you're gonna smooth it a little bit. Click on smooth now and right click it and decrease the strand. Somehow when I click on that side it doesn't work first, so I will go on the other side and then it works. So just gently smooth it out a little bit. Then exit and then remesh, so it automatically clicks on that button and then finish the layer. Now I'm gonna make a occlusal rim. So I right click it, shift and right click to move the point of origin there. And then draw remote outline. I click on the extrude button, so now I need to click just the left click. And shift and left click the origin button and press F and then make a single rim. Then I'm gonna shorten the rim and then unify a layer. So you're gonna unify both layers. Then I'm gonna smooth it out again. Right, exit, and then voxel remesh. Now I'm gonna unhide the lower model and select. I'm going to the articulated module, selecting the night guard as an object being cut, and the lower model as object making cut. And then click the apply offset. And then here I'm applying single cut in a protrusive first. And left and right. Well, in this case, right side. I actually forgot to press the apply single cut button again. That's why it's not making right and left trim. But that's okay. Now it's there. I'm gonna hide the lower model again. And gonna hide the articulator. Going back to the plane and smooth it out. Now a little bit area is exposed, but that's fine. Yeah, the back cusp test exposes a little bit. It doesn't have. I think in this case, when I made the occlusal rim, I didn't give enough thickness. So exit the smooth layer button and finish the layer. Now the night guard is almost done. However, if you see in the cross section, the night guard goes inside the model. So I need to trim the inside part. So I'm gonna select night guard and call here, yes. So night guard as a layer and the model as a target model. And just click this button and that's it. Now I'm gonna hide the target model and you can see inside the night guard.